Alright, peoples. We are live for the final Manolis versus. Let me see if I'm streaming. Yes, Manolis versus Volcano. Let me change first here. Let me go check first if he's. He said he's in the room now. Go check if I have the right room. Disconnected. But it's the. Hello. Hello.
Έλα.
Έλα, με βλέπεις? Με ακούς?
Σε ακούω, δεν σε βλέπω βέβαια.
Ναι, κάτι περίεργο και εγώ δεν σε βλέπω. Τέλος πάντων, θα βγω για να
Να
μπορεί
σου
να πει ο
ρωτήσω, ρε
άλλος και μετά
εσύ.
ξαναέρχομαι.
Να σου πω.
Έλα.
Γιατί βλέπω λίγο θολά στα γυαλιά, δεν βλέπω εντελώς καθαρά.
Άλλαξε λίγο το πάνω κάτω. Σπάστα μπροστά,
Και
μπορείς...
πάλι,
Δεν είναι μόνο πάνω
Θέλεις
κάτω, μπορείς
σκούπισμα
και
ειδικό,
μπροστά.
μήπως? Θέλεις σκούπισμα ειδικό?
Όχι. Αν έχει πιάσει, πώς σου λένε, πώς σου λένε αυτό τώρα.
Τον υδρότα,
Ναι, μπορείς με το t-shirt να το κάνεις αν είναι εκείνο, αλλά λίγο δύσκολο είναι αυτό. Μάλλον αν τα πας πάνω κάτω και μετά μπορείς να τα πας και αν τα πιάσεις τα γυαλιά με τα χέρια σου, μπορείς να το στρίψεις και προς τα κάτω και προς τα πάνω.
Ναι, κατάλαβα τι λες.
Ναι. Κάτσε να βγω για να μπει ο άλλος και μετά έρχομαι σε λίγο.
Δεν μπορεί να μπει ο άλλος.
Μπορεί να μπει, αλλά δεν θα είναι στην θέση του. Πρέπει να μπω μετά εγώ. Άντε, φεύγω και έρχομαι σε λίγο.
Ναι, μπήκε.
Να το σε. I shouldn't have gone in. Right. Good game.
Hello.
It's best of 7, right? Yeah. Best of 7. Manoli είναι στα 4.
Στα 4 είναι,
Ναι, best of 7.
Ωραία, φίλε.
Yeah. Okay. Right, have a good game. May the best man win. Right.
Okay.
Let me do this so we have the... Oh, they immediately started. So let me go... okay, I can do this after the first match to change the scoreboard. So they played the first match. This is funny because the first match, and this was the first match I think Manolis ever played ranked, or did he play also ranked? Oh, he plays even better now. The forehand. Yes, every time we see him, he's more free. He went for the forehand now. When before he was very, very careful. So I think it was his first match ranked, or did he play before a few and then with him? But this was surely his first tournament match with Volcano. He was drawn into his group, and Volcano was seed 1. So after Manolis beat him, he took his seat and he was seat 1 in the KO. Volcano went downstairs then, beat everybody else, and here they are again. It finishes, it goes faster. It finishes how it started. Just that this is, I think, best of 7. And Manolis, I don't know if this ever has been done. I think also never in the Super Division. He didn't lose a single match. Everything 3-0 till now. And if it continues how it looks, this could be also a 0, 4-0 if it's best of 7. Oh, he goes for the forehand now. Huh? He's working a lot with the serves, right from the first moment.
Έλα ρε, εύκολα spin.
This was edge, I think. Ooh. Oh! How did this land? Oh! Too lucky. Ah, he goes. He goes for the forehand more. Yeah, too careful. This works in real life, but it doesn't work, and you have to go a little bit more. Just this little bit is not enough. Yes, like this you have to play. Oh, nice point. The only thing I'm afraid when he's playing is this. Tricky. It's like edge ball or whatever. That's the only thing I'm worried when he plays. Like on the forehand when he goes for the loop, that he doesn't find the ball. But it's much better now. Oh, and he even goes for the forehand now. Alright, 1-0. Let's go and check the... I need to find his number. This one, so the scoreboard is okay. We'll go here. Scoreboard. Bim bim boom. Jackie. There you have it. And let me check if it's really best of 7. Yes, it's best of 7. Good. And let's see if there's anybody in the chat. Let me mute Twitch so there is no how do you say, no echo. And going back to the live. And I wanted to see when if Volcano was his first ranked. Ooh, first time I saw him like this forehand, like really go for it. First time. What? Don't tell me what happened. Still has problem finding the ball on the forehand. Oh, there it is. Nice. Yeah, much better. And we saw the journey of him every. There you go. Like those are the shots he needs for super division. Like this. This is a good first look for. He is ready for super division. He can play super division now. There you go. There you go. He can play now super division. It was only because I was talking with a few people and they were saying yes, but he is not ready. And no. It's not about. It's not about if he can or cannot play. This is like this is not his level. If it was his level, then it would be impossible to reach super divisions of fast. But this is not his level. His level is like probably he's the best real life player right now. The best active real life player right now. Like in practice, he beats my ass totally. Okay, I don't play good in real life now. But he's the best real life player. Look now, was it 11-1, now 8-0? And it was not like he has to learn anything. It's just he has to he has to free his mind. He's like in the Matrix learning kung fu with Morpheus. And he's learning here table tennis just to really to free his mind. And now, till now, it was like he would have absolutely no chance in Super Division. But now, like the few shots he showed, this is Super Division stuff. And anything else, he's already like, no, this is Super Division spin. It's not a killer, but it's a Super Division spin. I think he has problems with this spawning of the ball. Volcano. There's something on what he's doing, but something doing, then he can see the ball. There's something wrong with his ball. Or he changes. Maybe he changes settings. Who knows? So it was like if he can free his mind, because everything else, his technique, tactical understanding, and competition and warrior spirit, everything. It's like he's fighting for number one in the world. But this is Super Division. It's not a killer, but it's good enough to beat anybody. This loop, there you go. Like his loops are much stronger in real life, and he will also have much stronger loops here. A lot of jittery now. But they seem to have no problem, so it's on our side maybe. So it's not the killer, but it's also not his best shot. He will be much better, but it's enough to play Super Division. Those loops. What is this stuttery all the time? He's ready for Super Division.
Έλα μωρέ.
And he will be like, he can go even faster if he wants now. But even showing now in the final this, he is ready for Super Division. And then he will play better and better and better with each match he will play in Super Division also. But he doesn't have points, that's a problem. And it's only 2 days, 3 days, 2 days. I think he's changing his settings. He changes settings in the middle of a set. It's a little bit strange, but he's going around. Look, now he's fixing his position. That does. Yes, like this spin also Spuddy. What will they do? If he plays this against me, I will kill it, counter. But this one, it's good. It's not top, but it's good. It's enough. Like this is enough for Super Division. To play, not to be always to play, not to be to get destroyed. Wow. He really. Oh yeah. Let me check that. It's 3-0, no? It's fast. It's 3-0. He's like, yes, this is how a Super Division should win at 2,400. There you go. Yes, this is Super Division, and he has a lot of room. This is nothing for him. It's quiet. Yeah, it's Greece. Now I put the mic closer to my mouth. Maybe it's better now. Yeah, it's Greece versus Turkey in a positive way, not like the stupid politicians do when they fight and have wars and talk shit about each other. In sports, we are all friends. There's no animosity. Greeks and Turks are friends. Only the politicians fuck things up. Anyway, So it's better now. The mic is closer to my mouth. It's better. Should be better. All right. So he's ready. He just needs to collect points, like he has. I forgot. I have to give him also the registration for this month, and then he has 2 days and 2 days. Oh. Yeah, there you go. This is super. He's ready for Super Division. Let me go to the live. Yes. Look, even those. This ball, yes, he's absolutely ready. There you go. Bravo. He's ready. And again, this is not his best, but this is enough to play Super Division. Till now I said, maybe 1 month more. But I told him, he asked me, should I not? I said, try, because it's the Olympic Games. The Olympic Games are next month and you have no time. So you have to play the best. If you want to go to Paris and have a chance to win a medal, you have to put yourself under pressure. Wow, there you go. There you go, the forehand. You have to put yourself under pressure and play against the top, because otherwise you will have no chance. So you have to, because of the Olympic Games. Otherwise it wouldn't matter. And he's ready. He is ready, and he will play every game better and better and better and better. And also the more straight the game is of the opponent, the better it's for him, because everything he does here, it's already in him. It's nothing to learn. He's just playing what he does in real life anyway. Yes, he's ready. You feel him free. He doesn't wait anymore. He just continues to play. He moves. He doesn't need rest. He's just ready. He moves very nicely. Very, very good. Bravo. Still, sometimes he doesn't find the ball. But it's just minor things, and it will become better and better. Maybe this is finished now. Nice spin again, a match point. Alright. Woohoo. Wow.
Great
Congrats.
Games. Thank you.
Congrats,
Thanks, my
Manolis.
friend. Thanks.
Yeah.
Congrats,
Thank you.
Volcano, for the second place. Nice to
thank
see
you. See you
Greece
again.
and Turkey together,
Take care.
friendly.
Yeah. Thank you. See you.
Alright, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Μπράβο ρε πούστη.
Έπαιξα πολύ καλά, φίλε.
Γάμισέ τα.
Έπαιξα πολύ καλά.
Όχι πολύ καλά. Έλεγα όταν είδα το πρώτο drive που τράβηξες, λέω ρε, αυτός είναι έτοιμος τώρα. Είσαι έτοιμος για Super Division.
Τώρα είμαι έτοιμος, το έχω βρει το drive μου, ρε.
Ναι. Μόλις τράβηξες ένα, λέω, όπα, τι έγινε εδώ.
Όλα τα drive είδες πόσο γρήγορα έπαιζα, δεν περίμενα. Drive συνέχεια, ρε.
Αυτό επάντης στο stream μετά, αυτό ακριβώς είπα. Μόλις τράβηξε ένα καλό, λέω, όπα, δεν έχει τραβήξει τέτοιο drive πριν. Αυτό ήταν.
Φαντάσου, έτσι έπαιξα χθες. Έπαιξα έτσι χθες και έχασα, ρε φίλε.
Εντάξει, δεν πειράζει.
Από ένα τύπο.
Ναι, αλλά πρέπει να παίξεις έτσι. Εσύ, ο στόχος είναι να φτάσεις σε 3.000 και να κερδίσεις εμένα και τους top στον κόσμο. Οπότε πρέπει να παίξεις έτσι. Και όσο πιο γρήγορα.
Ναι, μα είδες ότι είχα αυτοπεποίθηση και έπαιζα full επίδεση τώρα. Δεν περίμενα να παίξω ψήρες.
Αυτό έλεγα. Ότι δεν κολλάς, δεν φοβάσαι, δεν παίρνεις τόσο χρόνο ενδιάμεσα, κουνιέσαι καλά.
Όχι, τώρα παίζω, ρε.
Ναι, δεν είσαι έτσι φοβισμένα, τραβάς.
Ναι, ρε.
Ναι. Ακόμα έβρισκες 1-2 φορές αέρα, μία τσάφα, αλλά εντάξει ρε παιδάκι, και εγώ βρίσκω. Αλλά είσαι έτοιμος τώρα.
Τώρα παίζω καλά, ρε. Αισθάνθηκα καλά, θέλω να σου πω. Ούτε φόβο, ούτε άγχος, ούτε τίποτα.
Αυτό φάνηκε ότι παίζεις σαν αληθινή ζωή. Εντάξει, καμία σχέση ακόμα με το τι μπορείς να παίξεις, αλλά είσαι έτοιμος για να παίξεις Super Division.
Ξέρεις τι, όταν στρίβει μπάλα στο reverse, δηλαδή κάνω ένα spin, μου κάνει ένα στραβό block, πάω να παίξω reverse spin και εκεί το παιχνίδι μάλλον δεν έχει καλή αίσθηση. Δηλαδή, εγώ κάνω σωστά και δεν βρίσκω ποτέ την μπάλα, ας πούμε.
Ναι, φεύγει, σε κάποιες παλιές φεύγει πολύ. Ναι, είναι εξωφρενικά πολλές φορές.
Ειδικά όταν. Δηλαδή αυτό.
Ναι. Ή όταν παίζεις.
Εκεί πρέπει να παίξεις μπάλα μέσα, θέλω να σου πω.
Ναι. Κάποιες φορές πάει περίεργα. Ή όταν παίξεις κοντά, ο άλλος πάει λίγο side κοντά και εσύ side κοντά, φεύγει η μπάλα, πάει στο
Αυτό, ναι,
διάολο.
ναι, 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 ναι,
Ναι.
ναι,
Εντάξει, παιδάκι μου,
ναι.
αλλά 90% πάνω από 90% είναι κοντά στα 100%. Είναι κάποια πράγματα που βλέπεις ότι πώς πάει έτσι, ας πούμε. Δεν έπρεπε να πάει μπάλα
Εντάξει, και
εκεί.
το spin, ρε φίλε, το spin, δεν μπορείς να το κάνεις τελικό, ας πούμε.
Δύσκολα.
Το τελικό, όπως την αληθινή ζωή, δεν μπορείς να το
Όχι,
κάνεις, ας πούμε, ρε φίλε.
όχι, δεν φεύγει. Μπορείς, αλλά
Δε,
πρέπει να τραβήξεις
ναι,
πολύ.
εννοώ, δεν είναι ότι όταν τη βρεις την μπάλα θα μπει, επειδή το tracking, όπως λες εσύ, δεν το
Ναι.
αντιλαμβάνεται,
Ναι.
χάνεις. Ενώ άμα κάνεις αργό, δηλαδή στο τέλος, αν είδες τα τελευταία spin που έκανα,
Ναι.
τα έκανα πιο αργά επίτηδες, δηλαδή δεν τράβηξα επίτηδες πάρα πολύ εκρηκτικά.
Ναι.
Δηλαδή έχει ένα όριο τραβήγματος. Θεωρώ ότι όταν τραβήξεις παραπάνω από ένα σημείο, δεν βρίσκεις μπάλα.
Μπορείς, αλλά πρέπει να
Θέλει ένα
προσέχεις.
όριο δηλαδή.
Ξέρεις, είναι κάτι άλλο που πρέπει να προσέχεις. Είδα τις μία-δύο φορές που βρήκες τσαφ, είναι ότι τραβάς και τελευταία στιγμή αλλάζεις κλίση, το κλείνεις λίγο και αυτό το
Ναι.
tracking το μπερδεύει πάρα πολύ. Πρέπει η
Ναι,
κίνηση...
γιατί θέλω να κάνω κάποια προσποίηση,
Ναι.
κάποια
Αυτό.
φορά και εκεί
Ναι.
μπερδεύεται το tracking, ρε φίλε.
Αυτό. Δηλαδή πρέπει να είναι
Κατάλαβες.
ομοιόμορφα, όσο πιο ομοιόμορφα γίνεται όλη η κίνηση. Αν εσύ πας να κάνεις προσποίηση
Ναι,
τελευταία στιγμή να σπάσεις τον καρπό,
ναι,
το tracking χάνεται. Αυτά ή μία
Ναι, δεν
φραπήγηση
πιάνει, ρε.
έκανες...
Κατάλαβα τι λες.
Ναι, εντάξει, παιδάκι μου. Πιο όλο ευθεία. Έκανες κανονικό spin και στο τέλος έκλεισες τη ρακέτα σου για να το παίξεις πιο έτσι από πάνω και βρήκε τσαφ.
Ναι.
Δεν προλαβαίνει να
Ναι,
το...
ναι. Και φαίνεται, νιώθω ότι δεν θα το βρω ποτέ. Δεν είναι ότι το χάσα τώρα, ρε παιδί μου, αλλά θα το βρω. Νιώθω ότι δεν μπαίνει, ας πούμε, αυτό το πράγμα.
Ναι, κάποια πράγματα πρέπει να προσέχεις, ναι.
Πρέπει να μάθεις κάποια πράγματα που δεν μπαίνουν, να μην τα χρησιμοποιείς καθόλου, ας πούμε.
Ναι. Πρέπει να είναι όσο πιο ομοιόμορφο. Ας πούμε, ο Γιάννης έχει πολύ πρόβλημα να το βρει, ρε παιδάκι μου, γιατί παίζει πολύ με καρπό, ξέρεις, και στο drive. Και αλλάζει...
Ναι. Και παίζει και με πολύ μικρή κίνηση παίζει
Ναι,
κιόλας, κοφτή.
Και αλλάζει έτσι κίνηση, αλλάζει κατεύθυνση λίγο με το καρπό και για το παιχνίδι είναι πάρα πολύ δύσκολο να βρει το tracking αυτό. Και πολλές φορές βρίσκει τσάφ, είτε βρίσκει μπάλα.
Θέλει απλό ping-pong.
Ναι, ευθεία κίνηση από την αρχή ως το τέλος να είναι ίδια για να μπορεί να καταλάβει το tracking που πρέπει να είναι η ρακέτα.
Και όταν σου κάνουν μια ψηλή μπάλα, ρε φίλε, δεν πρέπει να βάλεις όλη τη δύναμη έχεις και ό,τι έκρηξη έχεις. Πρέπει να βάλεις, θεωρώ, 70-80%.
Ναι. Και πολύ προσεκτικά.
Έτσι, ναι.
Όχι έτσι...
Πολύ προσεκτικά και τα...
Ναι, και όχι πολύ γρήγορα να φεύγει το χέρι σου.
Ναι.
Θα χάσει το tracking.
Ναι, ακριβώς. Γι' αυτό μερικοί που είναι έμπειροι παίζουν λόμπες και ξέρεις, ο άλλος τώρα δεν καταλαβαίνει και βάζει όλη του τη δύναμη και χάνει.
Ναι, δεν είναι τόσο εύκολο. Στην αληθινή ζωή, όταν πάει ψηλά μπάλα, λες εντάξει, τώρα πρέπει μαλάκα στη χάσου. Εδώ...
Ναι, αλλά στο άλλο σου κάνουν μερικοί μάγκες ψηλά, επίτηδες, και σε περιμένουν να κάνεις μόλις τη δύναμη και να χάσεις.
Και το χάσεις, ναι. Πρέπει να προσέξεις.
Ναι. Να σου πω τώρα, εγώ δεν έχω λογαριασμό PayPal για να μου βάλει τα λεφτά ο άλλος. Πρέπει να φτιάξω.
Δεν έχεις.
Δεν έχω φτιάξει, ρε φίλε.
Κάνε. Δεν είναι τίποτα.
Εντάξει, να κάνω PayPal λογαριασμό.
Ναι. Γιατί τώρα συνέχεια θα κερδίζει λεφτά και πρέπει να στα στέλνει κάπως. Δεν έχει άλλη... Μπορεί να σου στείλει και τέτοιο. Μπορεί να σου στείλει και Amazon. Αλλά τώρα για 30, μπορείς από την Amazon. Αλλά μετά, αν είναι πιο πολλά λεφτά, τι, συνέχεια στην Amazon θα αγοράσεις πράγματα. Κάνε ένα PayPal. Να το έχεις, γιατί θα παίρνεις συνέχεια λεφτά. Ή μετά, αν κάνεις coaching προπονητική, στο PayPal θα σας στέλνουν.
Κατάλαβα.
Χρειάζεσαι δηλαδή. Και είναι γρήγορο, δεν είναι τίποτα. Τζάμπα είναι και γίνεται μέσα σε λίγα λεπτά, δεν είναι τίποτα.
Εντάξει, θα κάτσω να το φτιάξω.
Απλά μετά, όταν έρχονται αρκετά λεφτά, αν βγάλεις, ας πούμε, πάνω από 2.000 το χρόνο, θα συζητήσουν ταυτοποίηση, τι σου λέει, ποιος είσαι, τι είσαι, γιατί...
Φόρο,
Ναι. Και εγώ κάποια στιγμή όταν έβγαζα από την προπονητική μου έλεγαν έπρεπε να του στείλω ταυτότητα, ξέρω εγώ, κάτι για να δουν ότι, ξέρεις, για να μην γίνονται μαλακίες και έτσι. Ωραία, οπότε βάλε τα δυνατά σου που σε 2 μέρες να μαζέψεις πόντους να πας σούπερ για να παίξεις με τους καλούς. Την άλλη μήνα
δεν ξέρω αν θα προλάβω, αργά μου. Δεν έχω πολύ χρόνο και παίζω πάντα μέσα στην αίθουσα της προπόνησης. Δεν έχω στο σπίτι μου να παίξω, ρε φίλε. Κατάλαβες, δεν μπορώ να κάτσω το βράδυ να παίξω.
Και να πας. Μία μέρα.
Δεν έχω πολύ χρόνο γενικά να φεύγω.
Αν πας μία μέρα, ναι, αλλά τον άλλο μήνα είναι Ολυμπιάδα.
Τι να πω, ρε.
Είναι...
Ξέρεις τι, πρέπει να βάλω στόχο να παίξω κάθε μέρα για 100 πόντους.
Ναι, αλλά είναι 2 μέρες σου έμενα, αυτό σου λέω. Τώρα αύριο,
Το
Σάββατο
ξέρω.
και Κυριακή, είναι Σαββατοκύριακο. Δεν μπορείς να πας λίγες ώρες παραπάνω και μέσα να το καταφέρεις.
Δεν ξέρω, δεν έχω το χρόνο, ρε φίλε, πολύ. Έχω πολλές δουλειές να κάνω. Και τώρα στη δουλειά σήμερα ίσα-ίσα πρόλαβα να κανονίσω, φαντάσου.
Ναι, αλλά για Ολυμπιάδα μιλάμε. Γιατί αν δεν παίξεις με τους καλούς τώρα, να συνηθίσεις λίγο, είναι δύσκολα. Αν τώρα καταφέρεις 3.000 και παίξεις τον άλλο μήνα του Ρουνάρου με τους καλούς, θα είσαι έτοιμος για την Ολυμπιάδα.
Να σου πω, είναι γραμμένο το παιχνίδι μου αυτό τώρα?
Ναι, εγώ το γράφω αυτή τη στιγμή.
Ωραία, ανέβασε το μάτι να το δω στο YouTube, ρε.
Οκ, θα το ανεβάσω στο δικό μου το YouTube, θα σου στείλω το link.
Εντάξει. Λοιπόν, βγαίνω, πάω σπίτι, ρε, τα λέμε.
Άντε ρε, μπράβο. Πολύ καλά, μπράβο, σούπερ.
Άντε ρε, ευχαριστώ, τα λέμε, γεια.
All right. Let me see if there's anybody in the chat. Olympics. Olympiada, yes. TT Rolly says, stop the bullshit, Malnoli, and let's go to the Olympics. Yes, the arena this is light. This is light arena. And let me go to the other. This is the normal arena. So yours should look like this with the seats. But I changed to the version. Yes, looks like a bunker. That's what I said. It looks like a fucking a nuclear bunker or like a jail, like those hyper modern jail where the big criminals are. Yes, I know what the version is. I think I have the latest, but let me check. Yeah, 3315 is the version. But this is the same as the previous. Yeah, sci-fi jail, exactly. Maybe there are robots around and checking them. Let me see if there's something. If you understand this language, yeah, it's Greek. Greek is the base for everything. Any Greek will say, without us there would be nothing. For us, democracy, math, bitches, everything. This preview, I don't know if it's a preview version, but this but this is it was anyway like this, the arena, but now with the lights, with the more light, you see actually the walls, which you couldn't see. We invented nothing and everything. Without us, the earth would fall into the abyss. What I was saying with seats behind the backside, there are seats there. Yeah, seats everywhere. There you go. Everywhere there are seats and the cameras. It's just there's more light now, and you see the walls. The only thing that changes the light. It's everywhere is seats. On the other side also. Yeah. Just there's more light and you can see the walls, which you couldn't before. Anyway, so what we were saying, he was saying me, oh, I play very good. So yes, you play very good. You're ready. That's what I said when he did the first good the good forehand loop. Listen, this is super division. Again, it's not like a killer. Nobody will catch, but it's not like too easy, so anybody can take advantage of it. Even those loops he did, he can play like this in super division with anybody. So he said, no, yes, but I don't have time. Quickly, it's 2 days, go and collect the 3,000 so you can play Super Division, and because next month is Olympics. Paris is end of July, I think. No? So maybe we have another month of. Maybe this month will not even be. I don't know. There were no announcements. Let me see. Isn't Olympics end of this month? I think 27 or something until 13th of October, August. I think. So when is gonna be then the qualifier? And will there be a tournament in July? Will there be normal tournament and then also the qualifier? And then when is the Olympics is end of month and beginning of August? So when is then the esports Olympics? Is it not at the same time? Is it afterwards? No, there was no announcement, nothing. So either way, it's now. He has no time. So I told him quickly go collect the 3,000. So next month you can play with the good guys, because otherwise you will have no chance. If you want to go Paris and you want to have a chance to win a medal, now you're ready for Super Division and you need to play them. So you get used to the like to the better players. And it's not, he doesn't have to learn anything. He knows this level of table tennis. He just needs to, find it in VR. And what he showed today, if he plays, like he said, I have to play every day 1 hour. If he can play every day 1 hour, by the end of the month, if he plays all month with the good guys, and I play with him also a few times, then he will be ready. He's ready. You saw how free he was today, and this is nothing. This is like what 20% maybe. For those who have watched the real life videos, it's nothing. It's maybe 20%, and he understands what he can do, what he can't do. Like sometimes he was saying, okay, I cannot do some things, like when you like fade, when you it's fade, no? I think it's fade. When you wanna, let's say you show like you wanna play forehand diagonally to the opponent's forehand, and then last second you turn your wrist and you play inside out to the down the line to the backhand. So those things it's difficult tracking, and that's why also Yannis had so much trouble all this time, because he plays a lot with the wrist, short movements, changes. Yes, I will fake the shit out of you. I think it's called fade. Prospies is in Greek, but I don't know. I think it's fade. And like footballers, also they show like they go left and then they go right, like Messi and Ronaldinho and so on. So all those things are very difficult. Or when you have a high ball, lob, and then you want to fake la meretora, and you wanna like go quickly smash like in real life. It's difficult. You will find edge or air or whatever. But he's seeing those things, and he said, okay, I have to play like different. Like today he did also, when he wanted to have he did the forehand, and last moment he closed the angle, and it was immediately edge. I told him this is difficult for the tracking. For the tracking, the best is all the way your movement is one movement. Then it's best for tracking to calculate your position. If you change, especially last moment, change a little bit, it's very difficult. Even like what happens to me many times, when I go down with my hand, I hit my knee. When I hit my knee, the whole tracking is totally fucked, just with one moment. So anyway, we will see. He won this. There's 2 days. Maybe Sulik will let him also till like I think 2nd of July is registration. Maybe he'll let him 2 days. Maybe I don't know. Usually people don't want to play Super Division, right? They want to play in the lower so they can win. Maybe if maybe Sulik can let him anyway play in Super Division, because most players will say, oh no, I want to play here so they can have a chance to win the Division 1. He wants to play in the Super Division. We will see. Maybe he can play anyway. Maybe he can like collect till 2nd of July. Ah, I didn't give him the registration. I have to give him the registration. All right, and maybe he's the first player to win a whole tournament without losing a single match. Everything was 0. In the groups, 3-0. KO stage, 3-0. And here, 4-0. Everything is 0. Bravo, clean slate. Alright guys, that's it. And I will play final with Swiss those days. Let me see, I think I sent him a message. He answered, let me see. Alright, so yes, he has problem finding a date. We'll see when. Might have to be. Well, usually I always say 5 UTC and later, but it's a special situation, so I may be more flexible this time, just so we can make this happen. And then, so this final I play with Swiss, which will be very, very nice. The way he plays will be very, very nice final with lots of good rallies. I saw like he brought a lot of killers back from Yanis, played lots of very good rallies with Vlad. So should be a very, very good final. We will see when. As soon as I know, I will let you know, and Sulik will let you know. Sulik, as he said, had an accident yesterday, so good that nothing serious, like really, really serious happened. So, but as he said, he will take things a little bit slowly now till he recovers, which may take some time. Alright, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the stream, and see you on the next one. And by the way, the Greeks also invented the stream. Yeah? Alright. Bye bye.